You got some hair there.
I know. It's been a while.
How long?
Maybe like 2 years now.
Since it's been cut?
Since it's been cut. And I've never gotten it like curly cut. No, I feel like I could do something different. Maybe shorter. Like,
where's shorter to you?
whatever looks good shorter.
You're gorgeous. You look good with anything. I'm a sucker for length too. Clearly have very resilient hair for it to look this good, even going on 2 years. That's saying a lot. But we are able to see where it's starting to break. Somewhere in here.
Yeah.
Because it's very different. Are you way into the health of your hair? Are you trying to get into that? Is that something that is new to you?
I'm like, I guess styling it is the worst part of it, because I just kind of let it air dry most of the time.
I have nothing against an air dry. I like a good air dry as much as I like a diffuse, depending on what you're looking for. Do you blow it straight ever? Do you blow it straight ever?
I haven't straightened it in years.
Perfect. There's no heat damage on there. Okay.
Not really.
Are you sleeping with it wet?
I try to avoid that now.
The last one I always ask people is, are you putting any straight up oils in it?
I am. I feel like it helps a little bit with the frizz. But I also mainly like to put scalp oil, just because I feel like I get really dry up here.
Okay. So oil definitely make it feel better in the moment. And in the moment, it'll definitely shellac down any flyaways that you got going on there. But all my favorite stuff has oils in it, but it's formulated to be rinsed out very, very easily. When you just grab oil and you put it in there, it's gonna shove all the moisture out. It's gonna replace that with the oil, and oil repels water.
Yeah.
So any moisture that was in there is gonna get pushed out, and it's gonna have a hard time receiving any new moisture, which is gonna dry your hair out quickly. And then especially over time, like if that's like a normal practice, it's the only thing I can find for you is that, you know, you're causing it to dry out faster than it would. As far as the cut goes, I do see what I would want to do to get you to a really good starting point, if that's a goal of yours.
Yeah, that's fine.
To get this filled in. I feel like if we're able to kind of come in here and like cap it off at where you still have some density there, that'll set you up. We'll still do some layering, so we'll get you some shape up in here. But as far as the longest aspect of it, we'll kind of come up into here. You'll look great. If you enjoy that, we'll put it right back there every time if you want. But I think that'll set you up, especially with these new practices and not doing certain things. You'll be able to start growing that out. And if you get this long again, the idea is, I see you a little bit more often than once every 2 years. We'll keep the trims up, but I like the idea of you getting super long, but you having the density all the way down. But if you're like just nice and wide open, I'll just kind of like do my thing.
For it.
All right, cool.
Yeah.